We'll do a quick little review of cabin 4426 in the Family Harbor section, Carnival Jubilee. Oh, and of course I let the door slam shut, which I shouldn't have. The entrance is a little narrow, like everybody online has been saying. From what I understand, this is considered ample closet space, and this is very dark. Sorry about that. There's lots of racks. I think everybody knows about the little bit smaller size of the bathroom, but still it's very nice. Like the fact that it's got the glass shower door. I'm a little bit of a fatty, but I can still fit in here, so that's okay. And in the Family Harbor area, which this isn't a suite, this is just a standard ocean view room, you do get the couch, which pulls out to a bed. Nice makeup area. Go Cowboys. Very decent sized TV. And the king size bed. And now if my wonderful assistant will show us. Hello, wonderful assistant. So we have nice view of the ocean, which we just left Galveston. Windows are a little dirty, but that's okay. Oh, our pilot boat is right here. So we'll actually be able to watch if I film this long enough, we'll be able to see the pilot getting on the pilot boat. With the Family Harbor ocean view, you have storage underneath, nice comfortable sitting area. Overall, it's a pretty nice room. All we've had before has been interiors. It's not the biggest room we've ever seen videos of, but I think Carnival did a wonderful job. These are very nice rooms, nicely decorated. It's comfortable in here. Anyway, that is stateroom 4426 in the Family Harbor area. I'll probably clip in the Family Harbor Lounge. Show some of that. Anyway, have a good one. So just a little bit of an update. We had an issue with the electrical in our room. Not really the electrical, but some of the plugs. When we first came in, only this plug would allow you to put anything into the receptacle, and these two were unusable. You couldn't even plug anything in. We called the people to get a hold of maintenance. By the next time we came into the room, they had it fixed, brand new plugs put in. So even with a few little hiccups, the staff of the Jubilee has really done a good job of taking care of things and getting things fixed as quickly as possible. So a little bit of an update on the bathroom in the new staterooms in the Jubilee. There's an issue, I think, probably more people than just we're having. The water pressure is atrocious. And I'm going to show you. Turned all the way on. And the shower wand, that's all the pressure you get. That's it. That's not very much. And older ships that we've been on have had adjustable shower heads. And this doesn't have any adjustment. So all you get is just the light stream. It's not a deal breaker. We absolutely love this ship and we love this room, but we certainly hope that they get some of these other things addressed. But besides that, it has been a really nice room. Okay, and this is the family harbor lounge that we have access to. Even though we're not sailing with family because we had no children's. Nice little couch area and TV. Video games over here. Place where they have like a little mini buffet for breakfast in the morning. And the absolute best part about this, coffee, right on hand. Americano sounds good. Yeah, American regular coffee.